Hey traders, in this video I'm going to cover my favorite momentum indicator with a little bit of a twist. So let's get to it. I have a daily chart of Apple up here using TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim. I'm going to click here on Add Studies and Strategies. Now you can see there's literally hundreds of studies. I'm here to tell you most of them are bull. You don't need them. But stick with what works, something that's proven and has been around for years. That's a MACD. Now you can see here it's 12.26.9 exponential. We want to change that. So let's click on this little gear, change it to the 10. Perfect. Now, I like this because I don't get caught in the chop that other indicators and what other traders will see. So now I'm going to zoom in. Okay, let's actually zoom in to October 8th, right here, where we have the clear breakout of Apple starting. We can see how our MACD momentum starts to build. We have a cross to the upside here. Now this is something I really appreciate. As Apple moves higher, right? Look at our MACD. It continues to trend higher with no false signals. Even on earnings, when, or I should say, earnings can be very volatile, and it's shaken me out a few times. Look at our MACD. We never have a bearish crossover here. We continue to trade higher as Apple makes new highs, literally today here. Now you're probably asking, Lance, that's great. The trend is bullish. I don't want to chase up here. But if I'm long, where do I get out? And if I want to initiate a short position, when do I get in? It's simple. Just wait for the MACD to cross to the downside, momentum to turn bearish, then you can take your profits, or if you want to initiate a downside position, initiate a downside position. One thing in trading, you don't want to be first to the party, okay? I'm not going to say, hey, short Apple up here. The MACD confirms I should only be long and stay long out there. I'd rather be late to the party as the trend's already moving than first to the party in trading. You want to catch the meat and potatoes of the move, like here in Apple, and not be, a hero catching, oh, I'm going to call for Apple to decline out there. Because if so, this stock can probably rip to 270 and change as this MACD continues to trend bullish. Let me know what your favorite indicator is when you're trading, especially momentum trading.